Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, I'm gonna showcase you the flight simulator script for our FiveM server. The script contains unique mechanics like aviation exam, flying test, and after completing them all, you will get your aviation license. The script contains lots and different types of missions, tasks, which you can perform into your FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the script which I'm going to showcase today. I'll put the link in the description below. The script will cost you around $60. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. So we are in the test server of the flight simulator script. After when you install the script, you will get this blip over here nearby the airport. Now to start the script, we have to press F1. Then click over here to start the flight simulator. So as you can see on the top center, it is showing pilot exam. For that we have to get over here. Now we need to interact the pad with our target eye. Then click on flight instructor. You will receive these options over here. These are the theory exams. In each exams you will get 15 questions and the exams fees is going to be $1,500. So let's take this theory exam. Then click over here to start the exam. So let's complete all these questions over here. After selecting all the correct answers, we just have to click on submit exam. And as you can see, I've got all the 15 answers correct. Now let's complete this as well. After completing both theoretical exams, this time to do practical exams. So let's do for this one over here. After that, click on confirm. So our aircraft has been ready now over here. Now we just need to get over here. So this is our training aircraft over here. Now let's get inside the plane. So this is the panel over here, as you can see. Now here we need to complete the task. So now let's get to the runway. We need to get to this star point which is showing over there. Right here. Now we need to take off and reach 1500 feet. So now let's do it. Now here we go and we need to reach 1500 feet. Okay, here we got 1200 feet. 300 more to go. Okay guys, we got to 1500 feet over here. Now the next task is going to be we need to reach 3000 feet. So let's do this one as well. So here we got to 3000 feet as well. Now we need to land this plane into the Sandy Shores airfield. So let's go to the Sandy Shores. Okay, we need to land very carefully over here. So over here, our landing is completed now. So the new task is going to be we need to take off again and reach 1500 feet. So now let's go and reach the 1500 feet. The 6th phase also completed. The 7th phase is going to be return to LSIA. So let's go to the airport and from here you can see the view of the Los Santos city. Now here we need to land very carefully. So our plane has been landed over here. Now we need to park the plane to that area. So all our phase has been completed over here and we got the certification of the pilot. So in the certification section, you can see I've got my aviation license over here. Now let's do it for the helicopter as well. Now let's drive this chopper as well and get the certification. So our first task is going to be we need to reach 300 feet. Okay, there we go. we reached the 300 feet over here. Now we have to fly over mission row. So here we reach the mission row. Now we need to go to the air checkpoint. I think the checkpoint is going to be above. So there we go. This is a checkpoint which we need to get. So you will get this checkpoint around 3000 feet. So we got the checkpoint over here. Now let's return to the LSIA. So now we need to land this chopper very carefully. So all our task has been completed now and we got the certification over here. Now let's go to the hangar and purchase a plane for ourselves. So this is a shop to purchase the airplane. We just to interact the pad with our target eye, then click on aircraft dealer. So we got lots of options over here. So after selecting the plane of your choice, we just to click and select. After selecting it, we will get two options over here. First option is to purchase the plane and second option is for rent. So I'll be purchasing the plane over here. After purchasing it, you will get your plane over here. Now we need to go to customize the plane. So our control panel is ready now. Now we can take the plane to customize it. So this is a hangar from where we can customize our plane. Now interact the pad with your target eye. Then click on aircraft painter. So this is the customization options over here. So for the primary color, I'll be selecting blue. And for the secondary color, I'll be selecting yellow. You can even select custom colors by clicking over here and selecting it from here. After selecting them, click on apply. Here we get the options for livery. So I'll be keeping it default for now. So if you want the neon light on your plane, then you just to turn it on by clicking over here. Otherwise, you can turn it off. After customization, we just to click on save changes. So our plane has been customized now. Now we need to go to repair and refuel section. For that, we need to get to this hangar. Now interact the pad, then select the aircraft services option. Here you can see the status of your aircraft. The fuel level is little bit low. We can refuel the aircraft by clicking over here. With this option, we can purchase the insurance for our aircraft. So let's repair it as well. After that, click on closed. So our fifth option is going to be hangar storage. Let's go over there. So this is a hangar storage. So from here we can store our aircraft by just pressing E. Just like this. Now to take out the aircraft, we have to go over here, interact with this pad, then click on my hangar and you can see your aircraft over here. Let's take it out. Now let's do a cargo job over here. For that, we just to interact with this pad which is standing over here. Use your target eye, then select the cargo job. So these are the job options which we can do over here. Some jobs are legal to do and some are illegal over here. You can see the description of the contracts over here. First, let's park our plane to the garage. Now let's do the cargo delivery. So here we got a plane. First we need to use that forklift. Now we need to get the cargo boxes. Now we need to get these boxes to the plane. Now let's get the second box. Now let's park this forklift. Let's get to the plane. Now let's start the delivery. So as you can see, we need to fly to the Sandy Shores airfield and deliver the package over here. So now let's fly to the Sandy Shores. Not like this. Okay. Somehow we managed to land very carefully. We need to get the plane to this arrow. Now let's exit the aircraft. Let's take off the forklift and get these boxes from here, and we have to deliver them inside, just like this. Now let's park this vehicle. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.